This is what I got. What's up, guys? It's time here. Today we'll see how fast I can solve a cube, a Rubik's cube. Because I found I could solve it, then I stopped solving. I can't solve it again. Then I learned again. So I think I should be able to solve faster now. Faster. I do solve under 2 minutes. But today I don't know because I have to show off now. You know now. You know those kind of things. So like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. Now, we'll start in 3, 2, 1. I know, you see, I can even find the point safe. Oh God, all these people safe, all these enemies of your father's house. Why do people always say enemy of I'm sorry. Why do people always say enemy of my father's house? Is why not enemy of my mother's house? Like your mama house not get enemy. This hey, 2 minutes done that. Jesus. Green, where's green to your law? You always like I see you. I lie. This one want to chop my eye, sha. Okay. I guys saying, okay, why is it now that this thing that it take time? Okay, I think we are done with the main part. Now let's start. Voila, D. I lie. I will solve my point since. She can't show off with this one. It be that time I want to show off. I cannot go for competition now. I lie. They will not beat me. And I'm just sure just something for not so finish. You see? Ooh, voila, I'll leave it back for you. No. Clara just back. You just always show off learning. The man shell. Only the time I want to show off. Oh. Nonsense. Okay, we are done. We are done. I'm not meant to be. You are not teaching them. You are solving. The time is going, man. Pure end of the game. I play this shit big by big. Me. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Oluwa, Jesus Okojo. Oluwa, about that I go do. That thing that Joshua did, God. Let the time stop. And about that, I wanted to miss, but I'm like, cold. Can you just slow the time for me? I think that should work because I came to stay. I went to Boston. I spent 2 minutes. That's scary as fuck, man. Okay. Okay. We are close, baby. Calm down. I don't die. Time don't go finish. Jesus. Jesus. Where is it? Okay. I don't die. Jesus, calm down. I can solve it. I lie. I can. Trust me. Okay. I find it. Okay. Oh. That don't go, Abby. I know, right? Oh, they don't shift this cube. Blood of Jesus. This thing will take me time. Blood of Jesus. How many minutes? I tried to be fast, man. But the thing get cocoa in between. The thing was tied in between, bro. I tried now. Yeah. I could solve a cube. At least that's something. I'm faster than this on the norms, but Life will happen when you try to show up. So that's why you have to be master of your game. But me, I cannot be master. I never try to be best in anything I do. If I read for my exams, I don't read for hey. I'm okay with BT. Daddy, I'm sorry. Mommy, I'm sorry. What I want to become in life, my ambition. I'm not trying to be the best. I'm not trying to be the first to do it. But definitely, you will know like someone came in. If someone came in. Like, share, subscribe. 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 Yeah. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. No share, no yeah. Subscribe. Don't worry, we'll pull out some shade. Don't worry, it'll be fun, man. See you all later, man. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it.